How to turn on or turn off night shift display color on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Display and Brightness. Next, scroll down, then tap on Night Shift. And then you can choose to have it scheduled, so it will automatically turn on between a certain time and it will turn off between a certain time. Or you can manually turn it on until tomorrow. So tap on the toggle button to turn this on, and by tomorrow, it will automatically switch off night shift. Once it is turned on, you can adjust the color temperature. You can drag it to the left-hand side to make it less warm, or drag the slider bar to the right-hand side to make it more warm. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off night shift on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.